Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a GPT assistant optimized for creating LinkedIn posts quickly and efficiently. Now the great thing about this tool is that because it creates posts quickly, you won't be sat at your desk staring into space for 2 hours thinking of the perfect sentence starter. I understand that it's easy to detect when someone's used ChatGPT to create some content. This tool has been prompted and it uses files of tone of voice documents and examples of types of posts you want to create so that it's harder to detect if it's ChatGPT'd. And the whole purpose is to get something out there quickly and efficiently, and then you just edit it and make it sound a lot nicer. You don't need to know how to code. All the softwares are free. And all the technical stuff I will explain in detail, and I'll make it super easy so that it's just copy and paste for you guys. Easy money. Alright, enough waffling, let's get into it. First things first, we need to open up ChatGPT, specifically the Explore GPT's interface. And we will go ahead and create a new one. Let's go ahead and give it a name. I'm just gonna call it that. Cool photo. Now we got to open up the document called LinkedIn Copilot Prompts. So here we have our LinkedIn Copilot prompt. Now I don't want you to get overwhelmed with all this stuff that's going on here. There is a video that I watched a while back. It was Liam Otley's Prompt Engineering Guide, which is 50 minutes long. But you may or may not have the time or interest for that. So, yeah, trust me, this works. It's great. There's a lot of research behind it. And, yeah, we're going to go ahead and copy all of that. Leave that for now. We'll get into that later. Paste that back in. And if you do want a video explaining why we've got role and task 1, task 2, let me know in the comments. But just quick breakdown, we give it the role so that it's honed its focus on being good at LinkedIn posts and also serving a eco-friendly bag company environment. This is all dummy data. This isn't my $1 million e-com store. Yeah, it's all dummy data. And yeah, task 1, task 2. It's good for assistants to break tasks up into two if there's like a huge task that requires very different operations and skill sets, I guess. Not so much skill sets, but I hope you get what I'm trying to say. And Hoon went by. Sweet, that's awesome. Yeah, so task 1's web scraping operation where we use Neutrino API to get the content from the blog site or wherever you're getting your content from. And the reason I'm using Neutrino API and not ChatGPT's web browsing capabilities is because it doesn't return all of the content, and sometimes ChatGPT is wrong. So when you want to go back and see what it's crawled from the website, you can't. And when you try to get it to return all the content from a web page, it'll say like, oh, copyright laws and stuff. But if you are allowed to work on it, then you're just sitting here like, hey, I'm actually allowed to work on this. It's hard to jailbreak. It's hard to jailbreak it. Like OpenAI is been cracking down on jailbreaking since forever, since the Dan prompt, if anyone remembers that. Only real OGs know do anything now. But yeah, Neutrino API is good. It's free. It's really good. It's easy. Well, it's easy for me, but I'll make it super easy for you guys to understand. Yeah, and then creating the post just like separates crawling the content from the web and creating the post. Yeah, sweet. I won't get into this too much. This is easier to understand for your business. what you want to do is to just, quick explanation of what you guys do, and then you just replace business name because it's very general. It's like aims to optimize the social media outreach, showing the blah 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 through LinkedIn, blah blah blah. Sweet, that's cool. Yeah, that's easily replaceable. And yeah, these are just examples as well. So that's replaceable as well. Like, you can replace it with one of your blog sites. And yeah, that should not be Aussie. We need to be in Aussie English only. That's I shall go and change that. Yeah, but if you're really stuck, just give me a message, let me know. Yeah, I'm happy to talk through this with anyone. Cool. So that bit of waffle was awesome. Now, let's go ahead and start up make.com. Future Cody here. I have accidentally forgotten to upload the files. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. I'm actually in here. Sweet, that works. Cool. Do that. So yeah, brand tone of voice guide and LinkedIn post examples. Yep, and that is all we need to do for the custom GPT step. Now we want to get into make.com. Creating an account's really easy, and I don't have time to go through it step by step because we'll be here for 3 weeks straight. So, cool. What you want to do is go to scenarios and create a new one. Right, now we want to make a webhook by pressing webhook and custom webhook. I'm going to add, I'll just call it LinkedIn vid. Yeah, as you can see, it's been done many times. Here we are. So what we want to do is copy the address to the clipboard, and we're kind of getting into some technical things here. Somewhat, but it's okay. It's all good because you have me to explain it thoroughly. Well, not so much thoroughly, but in simple people terms. That is not meant to bash your intellect. Oh, I'm just digging myself a hole here. Anyway, let's go to... Oh, far out. Doesn't show the whole thing. Oh, well. Okay, yeah, you want to open that text file of... It's called Schema. I'll call it make.com schema or something. It's got schema in it. Right here where it says webhook URL, you are going to want to copy and paste that in there. So, yeah, sweet. There we go. Now, I don't really want to show mine for security reasons, because random people can just call it whenever they want and just do random crap with it. And if you're on a paid version of make.com, it will just waste operations, so that would suck. And I don't want you guys spamming my operations like that. So I'm not going to show my webhook. Anyway, Command A, Command C, let's go back to ChatGPT really quick, because we need to create a new action. And copy that there. You will put your you would put your URL in there, and just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna copy that here. And yes, this should pop up. We shall test it. And oh, sorry. We just want to keep this going. You don't want to not stop this, because this is how we calibrate the tool and make it work. We'll just press always allow. And yeah, there we go. That looks good. Yep, awesome. Successfully determined. Sweet. Now we can get onto the Neutrino API setup. Cool. Let's go ahead and create a Neutrino API account. Actually, you guys are going to do that, because again, I'm going to be wasting time telling you how to do all this setup. It should be easy to figure out how to do this yourself. I hope so. Oh, also, save your root key. Save that shit. I mean, it's going to be in here anyway. Oh, yeah. Sweet. So, what we're going to do is go ahead and add a key. Press browser bot. Save. Oh, key name. Okay. My bad, boy. Linked. Alright, we're just going to do that. Thanks, champ. Cool. You want to copy and paste that. Go back to make. And we're just going to go ahead and do HTTP request. Wait, no, it's going to be make a basic auth request. Cool. All right. Sorry, let me just check something real quick. I should, actually, yeah, no, we can add a key. Just add, that's good. Oh, Trino API. Just do vid. And, yep. You would put your username here. And you would put your root key here. So, yeah. Easy. You would press create, but I'm going to go ahead and do my one. I think it's that one. I bloody hope so. Whatever it is, it's okay. It's not important. I'll sort it out after. Now, let's go ahead. Oh, I'm just thinking ahead here. API. I just need to save my API key somewhere. And I'm going to block this, because I don't want you guys messing with my API keys. Far out, fellas. God damn. Cool. So, put your user ID here. Yep, you'd put your user ID. I'm just gonna do user. Now, what we're gonna go and do is, yeah, just copy this. True. So what this does, it calls the API for BrowserBot. None of you nerds don't don't be like, oh, that's not actually technically true. It works. Just check this URL in. It works just like a treat. Now, we need to add some query string, and we need to add two things. First one is to add the URL, and you just need to type URL. Now, this is where we're going to get into a bit of technical things. Just a bit. I'm going to simplify it for you guys. So, yeah, that's all good. You just want to type selector, and now, for the time being, we want to press save. Now, go to your web page that you want to get the content from. So, I've got my blog post, sling bags, sweet carrying style, guys, and yeah, look at this Chad looking geezer. Look at him go with his beautiful sling bag. That looks more of like a messenger bag. I don't know why it has two zips. I couldn't be bothered fixing it. Cool. So yeah, but we're on my $10 million e-com company. That is not true. Don't actually buy from here because we have fucking nothing. All right, what you want to do? Inspect element. Now, the reason why we want to do that is, yeah, we want to hover over to here where we're getting everything under what's here. And we'll filter this later. So, you don't need to worry about that. Now, we want to go ahead and find anything that has anything along the lines of main content. So, we want to go main ID, and what we want to do is get this class. Okay? So, and we want to copy and paste anything that's within this content phrase. So we don't want to copy and paste this because that doesn't work. I've tried it, doesn't work. So a lot easier. Just copy and paste whatever has content in it within the class. Very important, within the class. Okay? Following along here, go back here. Always got to save your work. you know? You don't want to be like, oh no, I've lost everything, oh shit. Anyway, press full stop, copy and paste that, paste that in. Yeah, sweet. So we have set up our web browsing tool using Neutrino API. Next step is to create the JSON module. Now, the JSON module will help filter the result from this module here, HTTP one. So I've got to press pass, add, let's see, my data structure, yay, why not? Sick. It really doesn't matter what you do. This is just a filtering process. Oh, bugger. Let's go here. Now let's go ahead and do a quick little test. Save that anyway. Go back to ChatGPT and don't mind all of this. I was just testing stuff off camera, just to make sure it worked. Now with Neutrino, if you there's only a limited requests on the free plan for BrowserBot, so if you really just want to just use this as much as you want, or for a good amount, the plan, the $13 a month plan in Australian dollars is, I mean, that's pretty good value, to be honest. That's cheap as, and you're allowed 100 requests per 24 hours with BrowserBot. So I do recommend that, but if you want to use the free plan, you can still use it. So yeah, cool. That has worked. So we should see all of this sort of stuff. So yeah, we got, all of this is in JSON. Enviroware.store. So yeah, sweet. Good with that. Oh yeah, eco-friendly sling bags meet fashion meets sustainability. Yeah, cool. That was from the website. Paragraph from the website. Sweet. That's awesome. And now where the real value is, so we want to go here under content, and that will show the content that we want. So now all we have to do is create the OpenAI module. Now let's go ahead and create the OpenAI module. We want to do create a completion. You'll have to add your own OpenAI API key. Again, I don't really want to show you how to do that because it's quite simple. It is pretty straightforward. So name it, and then you just copy and paste that in. I will have to blur that out. Fire out, man. Organization ID if you've got your own organization, but yeah, all you need to worry about is just putting the OpenAI key in there. Cool. So let's create a chat completion. This is what you want right here. Let me just move that there. We're gonna use Mini because this is a relatively simple task. Let's just chuck in. Cool. User system. Yeah, system. Yeah, we'll do that. Now we'll need to, not this one. Go back to the document here. And yeah, this is a really, really simple prompt because it's a very, very simple task. Very easy. Let's just format this nicely. Oh, all right. Now, what we actually want is to get, where is it? Content. Just get rid of that. It's being annoying. Content right here. Cool. Now, let's just, far out. Nah, it's all good. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. I mean, I'll just increase that. Cool. So that's that with the OpenAI ChatGPT module. And now this step is by far the hardest step to do. You guys gotta strap yourselves in because this is a wild ride, okay? Alright. Trust me? Yeah, cool, sweet. Alright, what we do? Webhooks. Webhook response. Oh fuck, what do you do now? Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, shit. Actually, nope, I didn't. There we go. Boom. Result. And that is the tool done. So let's go ahead and do a little test, which I actually just want to do now. Sweet. That's awesome. Let's just save. Oh yeah, I named it, by the way, if you guys wanted to know. Well, now you do, so get stuffed. Alright. Again. Another. Oh, Thor type shit. Alright, let's see the magic happen. Alright, cool. Yeah, sweet. So now far out. So we've got the webhook working, cool. We have with Neutrino working, same as JSON, very nice. And ChatGPT. So yeah, cool. That's cool. That's good. It's getting all the content. Don't need to worry about these. It's just HTML code, but it's just signifying like headings, paragraphs, page breaks. You don't need to worry about that because, yep, it'll send that to our assistant here. And yeah, the tool has successfully retrieved detailed content from it. Would you like me to use this information to create a LinkedIn post for Envireware, or would you like to blah, 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 blah. Cool. All right. Awesome. Now, let's go ahead and do an actual demo instead of me being lazy. Quick thing I forgot to mention was to add the make.com privacy notice URL to privacy policy, because sometimes it'll be like, GPT will be like, oh, you need to have privacy notice, especially if you like are posting if you're posting GPTs publicly to the GPT store. Well, I assume, this one you wouldn't really, but yeah, just for future notice, just in case. Now we've done that. Oh wait. Now this is if you don't want OpenAI to use your conversation data, because yeah, they use your conversation data to improve on your models. So if you don't want them to, then yeah, you can just untick it. Simple as that. See how they just cheekily put it under additional settings? Cheeky dogs. And that is all. Wait. I create LinkedIn posts. Awesome. Now we can go ahead and create this, and then we'll get into a demo. Actually, no, let's do some sentence stuff. The conversation started.
Mama, shut your mouth, mate.
Now, time's come to demo the tool. Alright, check your LinkedIn post. Let's do it. Let's just copy and paste this URL first. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, sometimes it does this waffle. Don't care. What the fuck? Get out of here. Oh, okay. Alright, let's suss the... I don't know why I have it off. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's suss the tool out and make sure it's actually working. I actually have to... Oh, okay, cool. I was just getting impatient. Yeah, I'll just fast forward today. Okay, cool. So, tools worked. Very nice. Here's a summary. Yeah, cool. title talks about blah 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 blah. Cool. So cool. Got a bit of direction. One sentence. You could the more the better, but for the purpose of this video, just thinking of something off the dome. Cool. Introducing the new Sabi Sling Bang range. Cool. Okay. Not bad. Some of it is quite generic, like, got you covered, yeah. But say if I don't want this bullet point list here, change list into a paragraph. And cool. I mean, it's changed it into one paragraph. I probably could have prompted it better. But yeah, that's fine. Say if you wanted to just... I know you're not going to put it in the chat. But let's say... we can just, we can just... yeah. We can always just do that. Just edit it a bit. Tidy it up. And yeah. It's great way to get the ball rolling for your LinkedIn posts. And yeah, that is all we needed to go through. So yeah, you can edit it, and we've got the tool working. It's very nice. So if any of you have any questions, just hit me up. Give me a message on my school community. Or make a post with what you've tried and what you're confused about, and yeah, I'll be more than happy to help. And all the resources are also in the school community, and there'll be a link to that in the description below. So yeah, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more AI tools, because more are coming soon. More imperfect videos like this one. Yeah. You're gonna witness the come up. We're gonna get an editor at some point. God, that'll be amazing. So I can, make less waffly videos. That'll be awesome. But anyway, ironically, I'm waffling. See you guys in the next video. See you around. Have a good one, and goodbye.